Welcome to another episode of Fast Track, driven by Current, powered by GE. I'm Nicole, and today I'm here with Davin Korstjens, Senior Marketing Manager for Indoor Industrial and Controls. Thanks for joining us, Davin.
Glad to be here.
So can you tell me, why should I add lighting controls to my fixtures?
Adding controls to your lighting solution can add a lot of functionality and extend the benefits of LED lighting. Including sensors and controls with light fixtures means a customer can leverage strategies such as daylight harvesting and dimming to make radical cuts in energy costs while improving operational efficiency.
Reducing lighting cost is definitely a nice benefit, but what are some of the other reasons to add controls?
Occupant comfort is another significant reason why controls are ideal in the workplace. We can improve comfort with controls by creating custom programs to adjust lighting levels to the environment or specific scheduling needs. Productivity goes up as satisfaction improves.
Improving productivity with better lighting sounds interesting, but what can you do with the programmability options that are made possible with controls?
By capturing the data from sensors and controls, the customer can proactively schedule maintenance of lighting and other devices with alerts from the system, and keep track of usage and life cycles of lighting in various equipment. The Internet of Things network of hardware and software can provide insight into how energy and space is utilized by analyzing data from the lighting fixtures. This information can be utilized to better optimize the space for the specific needs of the customer, and is flexible so that it can change over time as those needs change.
There are a lot of control options available. Why should I use Daintree controls?
Daintree is among the industry's most intelligent, comprehensive, and cost-effective energy management solution for taking control of building energy use. The solution has two huge differentiators. First, it is an open, standards-based solution, which means customers can choose from a variety of best-in-breed, interoperable fixtures and sensors from trusted suppliers. Second, it is wireless, which means it is extremely flexible and a fraction of the cost and complexity of wired systems. It can be deployed in places where it is hard or impossible to run wiring, such as in a historical listed building.
Interoperability and wireless, that sounds like a really great option.
In addition, Daintree works with more than just lighting. You can connect your HVAC systems, manage the plug load usage from your computers, fans, outdoor irrigation systems, business signage, water heaters, air quality, and much more.
This sounds like a really great technology, but can you give us an example of controls that benefit customers? For example, inside a retail store?
For retail customers, adding controls enables energy savings by allowing the retailer to dim or turn off lights when aisles are empty, and then to turn the lights back to the optimal level once customers are present. Utilizing a network of sensors, controllable fixtures, and analytics can help provide valuable information about traffic patterns and merchandise placement that can help optimize the retail setup.
It reminds me of when I go into the grocery store. I'm going down the aisle and all of a sudden the lights come on. It's like, buy the milk. And then when you walk away, the lights dim again. So definitely a fascinating feature. And I can see how the controls can help lower the energy costs and also provide more information about shopping patterns so that the retailers can optimize their stores. It's really fascinating technology. I also see the benefit to retailers, but can you give us an example of controls that benefit, say, commercial office customers?
Yes. For commercial office customers, controls can help create a comfortable and efficient space for employees and customers. Daylight harvesting and occupancy sensors can help reduce energy costs by maintaining light levels where they're needed and turning the lights off in the unused spaces. Using the information from the sensors and fixtures, conference room management and space utilization information can be applied to optimize the space for the current and future needs of the organization.
So this can help me find a conference room for a last-minute meeting, or help the building manager change the layout to match the needs of the employees.
Exactly.
Wow. So with more fixtures having sensors and controls, what does this mean for the future of lighting?
Although people are very driven to add controls because of the immediate cost savings they can achieve, the Internet of Things is now a viable option. When Daintree is installed in the light fixtures, it takes advantage of lighting, which is the most ubiquitous network in the building, and transforms it into a digital network. With this network in place, companies can pull data in from a vast network of sensors to start leverage that network to explore new business models. We're working with almost 100 partners who are coming up with extremely innovative software solutions that deliver new types of benefits in the workplace. For example, retailers are now able to get real-time data that shows where their customers are in the store and what shelves they are looking at. This means retailers can configure the best merchandising locations and even offer a discount coupon via the customer's mobile phone when they have shown interest in a certain product. The opportunities are endless with the right technology.
Devin, I have to say, there's a lot of information being packed into this video, but between the energy savings and just getting all of this data, I'm floored by just how fascinating this is. And it seems really futuristic. So I'm wondering, what are some real-world examples of the benefits of a customer adding controls?
Yes, absolutely. We have a very high-profile customer based in Silicon Valley. The company has offices all over the world and doubles its employees every year. The company has aggressive sustainability goals and wants to make an employee comfort a priority. It also wanted a scalable, standards-based solution to expand across their building portfolio, leading to the ability to leverage advanced applications that are part of the Internet of Things. Daintree controls were selected because they're an open, future-proof solution that allows the easy addition of fixtures and sensors from a variety of manufacturers over time. Daintree's Zigbee-based mesh network standard creates a platform for the Internet of Things so that different systems can interoperate. Plus, the Daintree solution is wireless, which means it is approximately 50% cost savings over a hardwired solution and can be installed anywhere.
So what are some of the key benefits of this installation?
Dual daylighting control zones deliver better employee comfort and energy savings, and personal lighting controls mean that employees can adjust the light level exactly to their preferences and the task at hand. Occupancy sensors save energy by turning the lights on or off based on space usage, and dynamic plug load control saves energy when electronic devices are not required. This company also leverages Daintree's auto DR capabilities, which means it can automatically comply with utility demand response events and also save money by programming lower energy use when peak pricing is in effect.
Sounds like a really incredible place to work. How big was the installation?
To date, 40 buildings, including new construction and retrofits, as well as parking lots, have been installed for this customer. Plus, the company has mandated that Daintree must be used on all future projects that require controls.
I'm curious to see how technology will advance in the future as well. So what about the savings you talked about? Because I like to hear the word savings, and I know a lot of people do as well.
Yes, it's definitely paying off. The controls plus the LED fixtures have saved the company 70% on annual energy costs with a 4.1-year simple payback. And the increased productivity gain from more comfortable employees goes a long way to add to the bottom line. Plus, since lighting is ubiquitous in any commercial or industrial building, adding sensors and controls to LEDs means the company has created a digital network to collect and analyze data and leverage new and exciting applications that have the potential to dramatically improve business operations over time, such as making more efficient use of office space by analyzing how it is used.
Now, obviously, actual results may vary, but you said 70% savings on their annual energy costs? Mm-hmm. That is fascinating. Those are some incredible results. What can they do with all of the data that you mentioned they're gathering?
Another exciting aspect to adding controls is the partner ecosystem we're developing. We have a variety of partners that help create applications that utilize the data gathered from the sensor networks, then help solve problems for their customers. Two such partners, Team and iOffice, use data from the sensor networks to optimize space planning and enhance usage for common areas, for example, all of which help create an intelligent and efficient workplace.
Davin, thanks so much for joining us, and thank you for tuning in to another edition of Fast Track, driven by Current, powered by GE. We'll see you next time.